Hi， 大家好，欢迎来到第27课。Welcome to lesson 27. In this video, I will introduce 3 finals: uai, uang, and uang. First one is a combination of u with I. Again, you have to speak it out fast. Uai, uai. So you combine these together. Next one is u and an together. Uang, uang. The next one is a combination of u and an is a nasal final. So remember, when you pronounce these, let the air flow through your nose. Uang, uang. Both uai and uang can be combined with ge, ke, he, zhi, chi, and shi. And the uang has more combinations. De, te, ne, le, ge, ke, he, zhi, chi, shi, zi, zi, si. Again, I pick up several important characters and words to introduce to you in this video. The first one is a combination of ke and uai with the fourth tone. Ke uai, kuai. So pay attention, we put the sign of the tongue on the top of a, not e. Kuai, it means fast. We have learned a combination of mu and an with the fourth tone. Mu an, man. So these are the two opposite words. Kuai, man, means fast and slow. Next one is a combination of he and uai with the fourth tone. He uai, huai. It means something is bad, or somebody is bad, or is broken. Huai. Here is something we learned. Hao. These two are opposite words. Hao, huai. So good people or bad people. Next one is a combination of ge and uang with the first tone. Ge uang, guang. It means light or brightness, or something is smooth, bare. So this is a character has many different meaning. Or something is shining. Guang. Next one is bed, where we sleep. It's a combination of chi and uang with the second tone. Chi uang, chuang, means bed. Here is the structure is a little bit different from something we learned previous. It actually has a cover on the left side and another character on the right, but it's covered the top. So the way it's written is again from the top to the bottom, from the left to the right. First one is a dot. The next one is a horizontal stretch. Then this one. And this one we call it 广字头. This actually is a character. It's combined with wood or tree, if you remember this one. Okay? It's a moon. Because the bed is usually made of wood in ancient time. And even right now, most of the bed are made of wood. So it has a wood, a tree on here. So the first stroke, second, third, and last. It means bed, 床. Next one, we will learn a combination of shi and uang, first tone. Shi uang, shuang. Shuang means pair. We have learned this is number, is 1. When you say just number, we say yi. And here, if you pay attention, I marked first tone. When it's combined with a measured unit, it's pronounced as E. Okay? So this means 1, we have learned. But remember, when it's combined with pair or with some unit, it say E with the first tone. So this means pair. So 一双 means one pair of something. And here I gave you another word. 鞋 is a combination of 西 and 耶 first tone. 西耶鞋 it means shoes. So one pair of shoes. 一双鞋. So you can combine any word after 一双 to show one pair of something. You see here is how the character is organized. It's two things the same, means pair. 一双鞋. Next one is a combination of 歌 and uan with the first tone. 歌安关 it means turn off or close or shut down. 关, the opposite word of it is 开, we have learned in the previous video. Combination of 科 and I with the first tone. 开. Each of these characters has their own meaning. When you combine these two together, it has another meaning, means a switch, a power switch. 开关, that button they have on the wall to turn on and off of the light or turn on and off of something. 开关. Next one is a combination of 吃 and uan. First tone. 吃安穿 means wear something. Here I gave you a new word, 衣服. See, when we say 衣服, the last one itself has the tongue on it. But when you are saying in the word, you say it light with no sign of the tongue on it. It means cloth. 衣服. So the way you combine these one, make a word or a sentence, you say 穿衣服. You directly connect these two words, the verb and the noun. 穿衣服. We can also say 穿鞋, like we have learned in the last slide. Combine 穿 with 鞋 means 穿鞋 means wear shoes or put on shoes. Here is a combination of 日 and uan with the third tone. 日uan 软 it means soft. We learn 硬 hard, 硬. Again, these two are opposite words. 软 硬. Okay, this is all the content of this video. Thank you for watching. Welcome for the next video. Bye.